Click on the link below to get price. The Phoenix D385 Desiccant Dehumidifier is a commercial-grade solution designed specifically for environments that require efficient moisture control, such as basements. This powerful unit stands out due to its advanced desiccant technology, making it highly effective even in low-temperature conditions. Unlike traditional refrigerant dehumidifiers, the D385 operates optimally at temperatures as low as 33 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for various scenarios, including unheated spaces. One of the key features of the Phoenix D385 is its impressive moisture removal capacity. Capable of extracting up to 85 pints of moisture per day, it is ideal for large areas prone to dampness. The built-in pump is another noteworthy aspect. It allows for continuous drainage, eliminating the need for manual water emptying. This convenience is a significant time saver, especially for commercial applications where efficiency is paramount. The design of the D385 is both rugged and portable. Weighing around 52 pounds, it is surprisingly easy to move around, thanks to its sturdy wheels and ergonomically placed handles. This mobility makes it suitable for use in multiple locations, whether in restoration efforts after flooding or simple moisture control in a basement or warehouse. Additionally, the user-friendly control panel features a digital humidistat, allowing you to set your desired humidity level easily. The automatic restart function is a boon during power outages, ensuring the unit resumes operation without manual intervention. Noise levels are surprisingly low for a dehumidifier of this caliber, making it suitable for residential and commercial settings alike. However, it's worth noting that the initial investment might be higher compared to standard refrigerant models. Still, considering its robust performance, energy efficiency, and longevity, the Phoenix D385 proves to be a wise investment for anyone serious about moisture control. Overall, this desiccant dehumidifier combines power and convenience, making it an excellent choice for managing humidity effectively.